The Disappearing Spoon, Chapter 3, The Galapagos of the Periodic Table. Throughout this chapter, we are explained how the existence of the periodic table came to be, along with the discovery of arsenic, gallium, cerium, yttrium, ytterbium, erbium, and terbium. Dmitri Mendeleev is responsible for creating and filling in the majority of the periodic table. However, Robert Bunsen, creator of the Bunsen burner, has a large part in Mendeleev's work. Bunsen invented the spectroscope, which is used to see what color light beams came through an object to compare it with that of each element to decipher its makeup. This greatly influenced the capability to decipher between different elements and organize them with respect to their makeup. Also, Bunsen is credited for teaching Mendeleev to leave gaps in his table because it was predicted that not all of Earth's elements had been discovered. Bunsen turned out to be right when 7 elements were found in Ytterby, Sweden. These elements include arsenic, gallium, cerium, yttrium, ytterbium, erbium, and terbium. 6 of these 7 elements were Mendeleev's predicted, but missing lanthanides, or rare earth metals. There are 14 lanthanides in total in which Johann Gadolin has been credited the discovery of. If Mendeleev had traveled across the Gulf of Finland and the Baltic Sea, it is expected that he would have been able to single-handedly fill in his table. Despite his success, Mendeleev did have his setbacks. For one, his rival, Paul-Émile François Lecoq de Boisbrand, had released false statements claiming that Mendeleev stole his work and that he was the true founder of the periodic table. After Mendeleev worked himself out of his trouble, karma struck Boisbrand when he discovered aluminum, or what he thought was a new element, but Mendeleev had already discovered and named it. Mendeleev also had competition in his research from other parties, Julius Lothar Meyer being one of them. He was doing similar research at the time and ended up sharing a pre-Nobel Prize called the Davy Medal in 1882 for co-discovering the periodic law. However, Mendeleev successfully finished his periodic table, which has grown over the years since his time, but follows the same basic organization and functionality that Mendeleev intended for.